repaired the clutch. And what that does is the clutch locks this in. So this clutch now pushes against a gear that drives this worm gear. And what it does is it automatically down feeds the quill based on a ratio here. So here, what is that, 3? So every 3 rotations of the head, this gear turns 1 time, which drops the quill at a rate. Oh my gosh, so I had to put a new spring, new handle, new nut. This is kind of cool. So this is adjustable. So you put this in, you lock this in, and then now I have, because I have the spring there, the quill weighed so much. Downfeed. The quill weighed so much, it has to have a spring to put it back. So here's a spring. There's a spring in there, and as it coils, let's see if I can let go. It just goes back into its home. So I could put maybe another half a turn on there, but I just want to be able to drop it, and the spring just kind of carries the weight of the quill. Anyway, yeah, it's got to go up. One more half turn, and then she'll be good. And then I got to do some fine adjustments on this clutch, and it should be fun. But what else did I get? Oh, I got new tie downs. Oh, look at these hold downs. These are Teco, T-E-C-O, Teco. So I got that. Those are some great new tie downs. I got this new Jacobs chuck. So this is a Jacobs 34.6. So just beautiful piece of hardware, super well built. And I look forward to doing that. Here, what I've got set up is I've got these hex, and I want to drill a hole into these flat to make some keychains. So I have a collet in a block in a vise. And I have this little jack to prevent this from going there. So hopefully I can do some actual drilling. So it's pretty exciting to actually have my quill back. But that was not cheap. Like to get those parts, the clutch in here, the compression, the clamps, the snap rings, yeah, and then shipping. And then China. This came from China, and the spring came from China because it's just a replacement part. Holy moly, that was kind of expensive. But I got to re-oil everything, get the machine kind of up and ready to do a little bit more. Fun times.